Hey, and today we are going to do a derivative of trig functions question using the product rule. And that question is f of x is equal to x sine x, and we need to find f prime of x. So first of all, let's write down the product rule. So f of x is equal to uv, and the product rule is f prime of x is equal to v du over dx plus u dv over dx. Now that we know that, let's write down what we know. So we know that u is equal to x, and we also know that v is equal to sine x. Now let's find du over dx and dv over dx. You can probably do this yourself, but du over dx is equal to 1 because the derivative of x is 1, and dv over dx is equal to cos x. Now that we've done that, let's put this back into our formula. So this is equal to sine x, let's put this in brackets, multiplied by du over dx, which is just 1, plus u, which is just x, and then dv over dx, which is cos x. And now let's reduce this. Sine x by 1 is just sine x plus x cos x. And there we have it. That's our solution, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye for now.